Okay, this is going to be a different video. Now, long back, we worked from home. We wanted a security camera and we tried a bunch of security cameras from other companies. And when we moved to a bigger space, we had two options. Number one, offline, where you can have security cameras and all of this storage comes down to this DVR box of 2 TB. This costs somewhere between 10,000 to 12,000. But majorly, the data is stored at the location, so anyone can just break away and take the hard drive. So the second option comes is online security cameras with cloud storage. So we got this Airtel XSafe. It starts at 199 rupees per month. So what is the total cost? How is the recording quality? Everything we'll get to that. By the way, this video is made in collaboration with Airtel, but we have been using these security cameras for a month now, and we'll be mostly talking about our personal experience, practical things that we faced. First of all, you get 3 types of these cameras. Now, the installation is done by Airtel professionals. Like in our case, the guy visited, installed the app for us, connected the camera, and it was pretty much end to end. So first up is this sticky cam. So this is a fixed angle camera and it has a magnetic back, so you can rotate it, tilt it in any direction. So basically, you can stick the magnet anywhere and then fix it here and stick it here, or you can stick the base plate to any surface and then just snap it here. You can stick it anywhere.
And to give you a rough example, the video recording quality is 1080p and you can have an idea of the video quality. Also, it has a built-in mic, so as you can see, or rather you can hear weird mic.
And there is also a speaker on the security camera, so you can make announcements like Big Boss चाहते हैं कि आज शाम की चाय अभी दोपहर में बने. Next up is this 360-degree camera, and as the name suggests, it can go all 360-degree, follow you all around. At least someone is giving me attention. Now, all of these cameras can be monitored remotely through the Airtel XSafe app. And now, here's the benefit of having a 360-degree camera. See, now I can use the app and rotate the camera in any direction from outside my home to just check any corners.
San, why are you eating my biscuits?
Also, this is very important. Since you will be installing the security camera at home, you get this privacy option where the camera looks up and just shuts off. So, no peeking. And all of these security cameras have night vision. They use IR to detect night scenes, so the visibility even in low light or at night is pretty good. You also get a built-in mic and speaker on all the security cameras for two-way communication. And third is this active defense cam. Now this has to be kept outside the house, hence this has this dual antennas. So even if the Wi-Fi is inside the house, the antenna can pick up the Wi-Fi signal and boost the connectivity. Also, it is IP67 water resistant, so even if I throw water at it, it pretty much works well. Rain or dust doesn't matter. And here's the fun part. You can set a motion detection on the camera, and the moment it detects someone, it throws spotlight at them and raises an alarm. And this particular active defense cam has intelligent night mode, so see, you can even record colorful videos in dark. And if you see side by side with the black and white footage and color footage in low light, the color footage is much more recognizable for faces and t-shirt color, dress color. Now we also did an offline recording for about 2 hours on this micro SD card just to see how much storage it takes. So depending on the condition, you can get about 18 to 20 days of footage on a 64 GB micro SD card. Now this was our major concern. Suppose I am a thief and I just go and walk up to this camera, disconnect it. So now how much of the footage is stored in the cloud? So now we open the Airtel XSafe app. Now since the camera is disconnected, you cannot see the live preview. But here in the videos tab, you can see all the footages that are backed up in the cloud. And see, this at 128 is the last stored footage in the cloud. And now we open it, do it full screen. So we have the footage up until the point where I was looking away from the camera, so you can make out the t-shirt, jeans and everything. And this was our main concern. If the person just takes away the security camera, the SD card goes away with the security camera. There is no way to recover that footage or that person. But with cloud storage, you have that backup somewhere in the cloud, so that's safe. Hope it doesn't rain, your data might get wet. Lame. By the way, I checked on Airtel's website, the cloud storage is 100% end-to-end encrypted. Now, if you buy any of these cameras right off, you get cloud storage for 1 month free, or what you can do is take a subscription. In the Airtel app, if you already have a fiber or postpaid connection, you can just use add to bill feature and it will cost you 199 rupees per month. Now, here's the deal. Depending on the size of your house, or if you have a pet or child or house help at home, you can opt out for the subscription. I believe the subscription only makes sense if you're looking for the cloud storage. And if you have a big house and you need security, I think getting the cloud storage and subscription makes sense in that case. The outdoor camera, the 360-degree camera with cloud storage is good because even if the camera gets stolen, you have the footage on the cloud to prove as backup. Else, if you want to record to micro SD card, buying the security camera is much more sensible. But overall, if you want to secure the entire house, I believe the subscription makes sense. On that note, this is signing off. See you in the next video.